World War II, like
exactly.
They thought they were gonna be
right. Well, but the thing is, yeah, like you said, you know, there was no surrender. There was no official ending. It just kind of like ended over time, and there was no victory parades because.
No, we're talking about the Korean War. We're talking about that.
Both. Korea and Vietnam, they're very, very, very similar.
Vietnam won because they're still dictated. I mean, it's still a communistic country.
Yes.
And if we drew and lost.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
Vietnam is a communist anymore.
Yeah, no. You sure?
Yeah, they're a republic.
Everything on Laos.
They're all
Colombia. I mean, Cambodia.
They're all none of them are communists.
They're not.
They're democracies. They're like pseudo democracies. They're corrupt, but they're democracies. The only communist countries in the world are China, North Korea, Cuba, and maybe Venezuela. I don't know.
And look up here, they got the year. So all these people died in 1958, and then they got a year up here. I think it's 1959, and everybody else died after 1959. I think these people died in 1958. The war was like 2 years long, 3 years long, something like that.
No, 7.
Vietnam was 7 years long.
Yeah, Vietnam was long.
Well, they only got 2 years. So. They only got, look, this is like 1959.
And 65, we didn't leave until 73.
Problem was, we could have won this fucking.
You know that in linebacker, Operation Linebacker?
I've never heard of that.
It was Nixon's bombing campaigns over Vietnam and Laos and Cambodia.
Yeah, actually, I do know that.
In 2 weeks.
Look, 1959. So I don't know what that symbolizes.
I'm not sure.
Because it's 1975. I don't know.
That's how long the war was.
Yeah. But yeah, in Operation Linebacker 2, it lasted 2 weeks. They dropped more.
William E. Cooper.
During that 2 weeks, we dropped more bombs than all of the bombs that were dropped in World War II from all sides put together. Yes.
And then they had the Tet Offensive.
Yes.
Didn't work out the way they wanted to.
Tet Offensive effectively worked, but it just happened at a bad time. We were so tired of war that it didn't even matter. If the Tet Offensive would have happened a year earlier,
They didn't break the lines, really. It was just
we killed all the Viet Cong.
exactly what I'm saying. They didn't break our lines. It was just, that's what I'm saying. It didn't work the way they wanted it to work.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Not ideal.
I don't know exactly how many people died. Is there a number?
Like 15,000.
No, God, no, right? There's 100,000 in this world. Close to it.
I think probably
Give it a
more.
Google. Because I know 54,000 died in Korea.
How many U.S. soldiers died in the Vietnam War?
Here's what I found.
75. I guess it's 75.
75,000. No, definitely more.
Why are you the way you are?
Oh, casualties.
58.
Damn. So you told me that's 58,000 in this war?
So 4,000 more soldiers died in this war than the Korean War, and you really never hear a lot about the Korean War.
That's what more compared to like, we'll walk right down.
Don't we have to walk back there anyway?
Yeah, no, that's kind of walk right down.
Where's the Korean War memorial?
We'll walk into it.
Tu sais comme elles sont pas chères en plus. Quand même. Elles sont
One of those guys had on one of those guys had on an MLG jacket. Major League Gaming.
It's a big deal nowadays. Kids
It
wear
is, that's
millions
what
of
I'm talking
dollars.
about.
That was good. I'm telling you, I
Hey, the kid from Pennsylvania won $1 million.
Yeah, like that's crazy.
Fucking Ninja makes 10 grand for every hour he's on.
Yeah, but that's endurance and shit. But see, the thing is, dude, people are asleep. Like, that esports is about to Dude, in the next
Connor, you ever seen
drone racing?
Connor, they already started offering college scholarships for
Oh
that
yeah,
shit.
dude.
Wait, please. Oh, never mind. I didn't say please.
What? Do you know what's over there?
No.
I don't know what this is. I'll read it. The legacy of healing and hope.
The legacy of what?
Over 265,000 American women served during the Vietnam era, and over 11,000 served duty in Vietnam. The majority served as nurses, caring for thousands of wounded servicemen in difficult conditions, with crowded transport, harsh weather, difficult terrain, and long hours.
So this is to the women you served?
Yeah.
Yeah, tended over 300 wounded, and saved nearly 98% of those entering each hospitals.
Damn.
Oh, that's pretty tough with flour.
It's pretty neat. But yeah. That's gonna show you, dude, like, I don't know, in Asian countries, bro, they didn't give a fuck. They'll
Different.
kill everybody.
Just totally different belief systems.
They don't do
It's really interesting.
You or themselves.
It's very interesting.
It's like we playing football with somebody. Like, you know, they're like, there's a danger to everybody on the field because some guys, they don't give a fuck about their health. So you know damn well they don't give a fuck about yours. Those are the guys that like twist ankles into piles and run downfield with their head down trying to break their own neck. So like that's a lot how
the way you described that guy, the way you first described it made me think of Tyrann Matthew.
yeah, no, man, yeah,
Like-
don't give a fuck.
Like, dude's just like totally just reckless.
And that's why he's always fucking hurt because he does that to people, so they fucking try to break his ankle. Fuck him.
Breaking
That
ankles.
man's about to win a Super Bowl.
Mm-hmm.
That man deserves it. Like, that dude, for coming from
I'm not saying he don't deserve
from
it.
his
I just
situation,
don't think they're gonna beat the 49ers.
he's the prime example of
Yeah.
the fact that you just cannot
Hey, is
stop
that a
talent.
griffin? What's that?
What?
That big statue right back there. It's just something on the bridge.
A
We
griffin?
passed it yesterday. What is that?
Dude, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Dude, we passed it yesterday on the bridge. It's just they got two of them on the side of the bridge. I don't know. I don't think it's really anything. I think it just looks cool.
Oh, I see it. The gold thing.
Yeah.
Some sort of winged feline.
More Slytherin.
No, probably Raven.
Kind of like Ravenclaw.
See, if I wouldn't be able to get into Gryffindor, Ravenclaw might not. I'm not Hufflepuff. You're on Hufflepuff.
So, yeah, no, I'm big on
I remember watching y'all play the